Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is on a unit that was sent to me by Wig Encounters, and Wig Encounters and I go way back. They have been supporting this channel for a very long time, so I'm always excited to show a new unit from their collection. And this one is really awesome because it comes pre-bleached. So this is my first time ever getting a unit that is pre-bleached, and I really love the unit, you guys. It looks awesome, and they did a great job with it. The unit that I have is an Indian Remy 360 curly lace frontal unit with a bang. So yeah, it's really pretty. So right now I'm just showing you how I apply my wigs. I start off with my Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottle. It's a gel. Then I add my Indie hairspray on top for extra secure hold, because the hold on that hairspray is really strong and it helps the gel to you know, dry a lot faster. So then you can just go ahead and let it dry a little bit, and then go ahead and apply your lace frontal. When I apply my frontal, I start off with my fingers, and then I'll go ahead and use a rat tail comb. I like to use my fingers just to determine like the placement, but then I like to use the comb to actually like apply pressure and, you know, push it down so that it actually sticks into the gel. So this is pretty much the way that I do it in every video. But I just like to show you in case it's your first time ever watching me. If this is your first time and you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. And make sure you're following me on my Instagram and my Facebook as well. So once I lay down the frontal, I like to apply a scarf to hold it down. This is my new Ankara baby hair scarf. It's good to lay down your baby hairs as well as to secure your lace frontal wigs. This is on my website, www.gleemade.com. I'll leave a link in the information bar down below to where you can grab one, and you can use the coupon code DRAGONESS to save you some money. If you guys like this unit, then I'll also leave a link in the info box down below as well, a direct link to where you can grab this unit off of WIGENCOUNTERS.com, and I definitely suggest them, you guys. They are super duper affordable. On top of that, they ship really fast, and their hair is really good quality. So then I just went in with a wide tooth comb to go ahead and tease out my roots. Not the ends, but just the roots, to give me a little more volume and you know, just give more of a, you know, disheveled look. I like my curly hair to look a little more full with a lot of body. So after I did that, I decided to go ahead and add some baby hairs. I just used my Ebon edge control. It's a 24-hour edge control. It's a super hold, and I really love it. If you guys like it, you can definitely check in my Amazon store. I have different you know, my different favorite products that I like to use, and that's in my Amazon store in the information bar down below as well. So I also added my Indie Hair sea salt spray. It just gives your curls a nice tousled look, and it smells amazing. So I love using it on my curly units. That's pretty much it for today, you guys. I hope you guys like the unit. Make sure you like and share. Give me a thumbs up and share this video with a friend. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.